The Synchro suit, when used in conjunction with the airline pass-through, will ensure both personnel and airline breathing apparatus remain free from contamination through any cleaning task. Firstly, cover the dressing area with heavy-duty polythene to an area of approx 5 square metres. Use several smaller sheets to cover your stool. This allows sheets to be removed one at a time as they become contaminated. Use tape to mark a line between clean and dirty areas and label clearly. Then cover the ground to the entry point to minimise ground contamination. Fit the pass-through to the suit and ensure it is secured tightly, with the correct seals intact. The user can then don their airline breathing apparatus as per their training for this. With shoes removed and using the stool, the user can then begin putting the suit on. Once this is at waist height, carefully push the airline through the pass-through, taking care not to damage the internal seal. Once stood up, the donning assistant will help the user into the suit, remaining in the clean area at all times. Disposable undergloves should be put on before donning the suit arms. The assistant should check the suit is well fitted and not caught or torn. Zip the suit front up nearly to the top. The breathing air supply should now be connected. Ensure the coupling cover is in place and seals well to the grommet on the airline tail. Don the mask and undertake pre-use checks as usual. The donning assistant should then perform buddy checks and make sure that the demand valve hose is inside the suit. The secondary zip can be pulled up and the hood fitted snugly over the mask to ensure minimal ingress of contamination. Now that the suit is fitted, a degree of care should be exercised when moving to prevent tearing. Footwear that has been previously soiled should remain on the dirty side of the line. Once on, pull the suit over the boot. Then fit the outer gloves, which can be securely sealed with either locking cuffs or suitable tape. The user is now ready for entry. Once the task is complete, the user re-enters the dressing area. Ensure that the user and any heavily soiled airline remains on the dirty side of the line. The user should carefully sit on the stool whilst the assistant cleans the airline and then their mask. Remove the outer gloves, taking care not to contaminate the inner gloves. Using a finger on the inside of the second glove to remove is an easy way to do this. The hood should be peeled away to ensure no contamination goes inside the suit or onto the user. Unzip and remove the suit to waist height, making sure that the assistant remains on the clean side at all times. With clean hands, the user can now remove their mask, and this can be placed into the semi-clean area, which is where used equipment is placed. The airline can now be disconnected and the grommet removed from the airline tail. The airline can be carefully pulled back through the pass-through. The user's airline breathing apparatus can be removed and also placed into the semi-clean area. Remove the suit and the boots to the dirty side and step to the clean side. Finally, bag all rubbish, including wipes, for disposal. By following these simple steps, you can better protect both personnel and equipment in hazardous environments.